Welcome back everyone, Michael here, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the best side hustle that students can start in 2025 to start earning money using AI and ChatGPT, and it is actually by using simple little tools that look like this. Fine. Now to access these tools for free, along with the free step-by-step checklist, which you see right here, that I'm giving away in today's video, all you have to do is leave a comment and I will send you all of this right now free of charge. Now, inside the checklist, or what I like to call it is the digital playbook right here, you're not only going to get access to this checklist, but you're also going to get a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. This is a Notion tab that I have used that you are able to get access to that has prompts for AI content creation, different opt-ins. Maybe you need help building your funnel. All of this is going to be inside the checklist. You're also going to get a list of done for you AI videos, short form videos you can start posting on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. You're also going to get blueprints to different make.com sequences with the tutorials of how to set them up. And you're also going to get a list of some extra resources like DM scripts and different SaaS objections if you're going to want to use these strategies to help online businesses. And again, this is all going to be completely free in today's video. So what I recommend getting started is you choose one of these AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. Now, one of the ones I'm going to be talking about is going to be Blotato. This tool right here allows you to create AI generated videos. I've been talking about this on my channel for a while, and I love the different themes and how it integrates 11 labs and captions all into one. So to sign up for Blotato or pretty much any software, you'll just click right up here. In Blotato's case, it allows you to create an affiliate account up here. Then you'll just click right here, join an affiliate. And then once you join the affiliate program, you will get a link. And that link is going to look something like this. This is going to be your link, and this is going to be how you're going to be pushing traffic to that link. Now, to send emails, create content, you're going to need one more other tool, and that is going to be up here in the essentials tools, and that is going to be Go High Level. So if you've been in this space, or maybe you're new to making money online and you haven't heard of this tool is pretty much like what it says. It's an all-in-one platform that allows you to send emails, create websites, and also plan or schedule out your social media content days, weeks in advance. So go ahead and get this 14-day free trial, check it out. But I do recommend just go ahead and paying for the whole software once you get it, because I've been using it for 2+ years and I wouldn't recommend any other software. So once you sign up for Go High Level, you'll get taken to a screen that looks like this. And the 3 areas that I'm going to be briefly covering in this video are going to be sites, automations, and then marketing. Sites, that's where the funnels are going to be located. So that's going to be the opt-in page where someone is going to put in their first name and email address. The automations, that's going to be the different email sequences that you're going to build out, where once they opt in, that's what they're going to be pushed. And that's where you're going to be able to start promoting your different affiliate links. And then marketing right here, this is where you're going to be able to go and schedule out your short form content that you've created. Now, to make this easier on you guys, if you go to the digital playbook and you get confused, just follow this checklist right here. But once you get Go High Level, which is that first step, the second step will be to get a snapshot. And what a snapshot is it allows you to import all of my funnels, websites, automations already directly into your guys' account. So once you do that, you'll have all the different funnels and automations already. So I'm not going to do that because I already have that imported, but let's go ahead and go to sites so I can show you what the funnel is going to look like. So this is the digital playbook funnel. This is the funnel that you guys are probably going to be going through to get the checklist. As you can see, it's super simple. Grab my checklist, put in your email, name, and then this is going to send you guys to where the checklist is located. Now let's go into automations. You're going to get access to all these different automations. The one that I want you guys to set up is going to be the email opt-in. That is because I have 60 done for you emails already in here. Now these are towards Go High Level. And let's say you don't want to promote Go High Level and you want to promote Blotato instead. Just take these emails in here and put them into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to rewrite these emails as if you were promoting Blotato. So once you have this all set up with your affiliate links, then it comes down to the next part, which is going to be marketing, social planner, and creating your different forms of content. And that is going to be with using a tool like Blotato. Now, what I like to do is I have the prompts that I use right here, and that is going to be with just creating short form content about top 3 websites. But let's say that you are still in the AI niche, but you want to be more like a faceless channel, or you want to tell stories. One thing I really like about Blotato is you don't even have to go to ChatGPT. You can literally write your story topic. Let's just say, I don't know, aliens taking over the world. And you can tell it how long you want it to be. Since it's short form, let's keep it under, we'll go 60. Now, I like mine pretty short just to make sure people watch it all the way through. Taking over the world, and it will create us a script. So I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate this script because I think it'll look cool. Let's go ahead and go with the cyberpunk style, and you can choose the different voices. These are different 11 Lab voices. Let's just go with, I don't know, let's go with Will. Let's just go with Shimmer since I just clicked on that. I always enable the voiceover, disable the watermark, and let's go ahead and enable captions. Doesn't matter which way you want it. Let's just go with the bottom for now. You're able to try that. You're able to get this for free, but once you get it for free, you're only able to generate so many videos before you have to end up paying for credits. Now, I have the $30 a month plan for Blotato, and haven't needed the upgrade, so that should be more than enough. I've had some people reach out to me and get mad because they say it's not free. Well, you can't create 50 videos without paying for it. Like, obviously, you're going to have to invest in it a little, but you're able to create a video or two for free. And as you can see right here, it's generating shots. That just means that it's how many different images that it's going to be creating. And for 30 seconds, that's pretty good. So once it gets done creating, you can see that right here, it has the text to image prompt, which is super detailed, and that's what's going to create the picture. So let's just go ahead and generate the different images. It should only take 1 minute, and I'm just going to cut back to when they're all complete. All right, looks like it's all done, and let's go ahead and export it. If you could briefly see down there below how detailed and descriptive these AI images are, just from using the software and not having to go to like Flux, LoRa, train your own AI model. This is truly an all-in-one really good software for creating AI images and videos, or basically AI videos.
Imagine waking up one day to find aliens in charge. They're not like the movies. No green skin or big eyes. Instead, they have our favorite snacks and know our Netflix.
What you would do next is, this could be for any type of AI channel, but in this case, all you would do is you would download this, and then you would go back into your Go High Level account. And then this is the social planner. As you can see, I have my different social media accounts connected to it. You would connect to it, and then you would just schedule out your post. So as you can see, you would just connect your different social media accounts. And then video would be right here. Upload it into your computer. Upload it. I'm not going to do it because I'm just doing this as a walkthrough. And then you would schedule this out. Now, in conclusion, let's just go over what I talked about in a 5-step framework. So first thing you want to do is get the checklist, which I went over at the very beginning of this video, and then select one of your AI tools. Now, like I said, there is 130 plus AI tools. I went over how to do Blotato, Go High Level, but there's so many other ones in here like Pixels, which creates different, like thumbnails for you. Radar, that's another scheduling tool. So there's a bunch of different tools you can go through and check out. After that, that would be replicate content. So the type of content that works, just replicate. So using Blotato, using my top 3 websites, prompts and format, you would replicate that. And then what you would do is once you create a video, you would schedule it out, post it on your different social medias, and start sending traffic to that link in your email automations. And then last is automate and repeat. So I know I went over this pretty briefly, but just to go over it one more time, just go to Digital Playbook, sign up, and you will get the checklist and be able to have everything that I went over in this video free of charge. So that's going to be it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.